Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English language class, and from yesterday we have started with a new chapter, that is lesson number 16, Prepositions. Now children, I hope you all have understood the topic of prepositions. Is there any problem? Okay, so I hope you all have completed your book exercise which I gave you yesterday, which I explained you also, and I also hope that you all have watched my videos very carefully. Those who have not watched my videos very carefully, please make sure children that it is very important for you all to watch the videos. Okay, if you will not watch these videos, then it will be very difficult. It will be impossible for you all to understand the basic topics which need explanation. Okay, so please make sure children that you watch all the videos, okay, and then understand all the topics which I explain you through the videos. Okay, then now children, today I am going to complete the book exercises, as well as we will start with our notebook work. So please make sure children that you complete and you listen to each and every part very carefully. Okay, so shall we start now? Good. So for starting our book exercise, children, you have to take out your basic English grammar and composition book, and please turn to page number 51. As you all know that we have completed our first exercise on page number 50. Those who have not completed, please make sure that you complete it today. And then coming to the second exercise on page number 51, that is the B exercise. Okay, and in this exercise what you have to do, that you have to underline the prepositions in the sentences given below. So children, are you all ready to start the exercise? So children, first sentence which you in this exercise is, you have to read the sentences very carefully and then you will underline them. Okay, so our first sentence is, please give me a piece of chalk. Okay, in Hindi it will mean that please mujhe piece of chalk de dijiye. So in this sentence, of is your preposition. Okay, chalk is a noun, एक thing है, और उसकी हमने position पूछी है कि कैसा piece of chalk. Clear? Now coming to the second sentence, the frog jumped into the pond. Now frog is a noun and it jumped. Where it jumped? It jumped into the pond. So you will underline the word into. Now coming to the third sentence, this letter is from my daddy. This letter is from my daddy. ये letter मेरे daddy की तरफ से है. So the preposition word is from. F-R-O-M. From is your preposition. So we will underline it. Coming to the fourth sentence, the basket is under the table. Basket कहाँ पर है? Table के नीचे, under. So under is a preposition. The train will depart at 8 p.m. Now train कब depart करेगी, कब चलेगी? At 8 p.m. 8 बजे शाम को. Is that clear? So at will be your preposition which is telling you the time. Okay. Now coming to the sixth sentence, the garbage is behind the house. Garbage कहाँ है? House के पीछे, behind. So behind is our preposition. Now seventh sentence, he went on a picnic on Sunday. Picnic पे कब गए? Sunday को. So on is our preposition. Now eighth sentence, Mummy keeps the keys in the drawer. So where does Mummy keeps the keys? In the drawer. Drawer के अंदर. So in is our preposition. We get up early in the morning. Now हम उठते कब है? Early in the morning. So our Preposition is in. Then the 10th sentence, the monkeys jump from tree to tree. एक ट्री से दूसरे ट्री कौन जंप करते हैं? monkeys. So our preposition is from. एक ट्री से दूसरे ट्री. So we will underline all these 10 words in these 10 sentences as prepositions. So children, I hope you all have understood the second exercise. Is that all clear to you all, children? Now moving forward to our part C, that is the C exercise, that is the third exercise. Is that clear? So in this exercise, what you have to do, look at the pictures and fill in the blanks using in, on, under, beside, between or behind. Okay, now आपको ये दो pictures दी गई हैं. Is that clear? And then you have to fill in the blanks in these sentences, 8 sentences in which you have to use these prepositions only. In, on, under, beside, between or behind. You have to use these words only. Now, very carefully, we will start with this exercise. First sentence, there are clouds dash the sky. Now, clouds are here. Okay. In the sky. Sky is all over. So, where are the clouds? In the sky. So, we will write there are clouds in the sky. Okay. Now, the second sentence, the tree is dash the house. Tree kahan hai? House ke paas mein. And here we have given the preposition beside. So, we will use beside. The tree is beside, beside the house. Now coming to the third sentence, the sun is dash the clouds. Now sun kahan hai? Clouds ke पीछे से दिख रहा है. That is behind. So we will use the preposition behind, behind. Is that clear? Now coming to the fourth sentence, the man is sitting dash the tree. अब ये man tree के कहाँ बैठा है? नीचे, under. So we will use the preposition under. U-N-D-E-R, under. Is that clear? Now coming to the fifth sentence, there is a book dash the table. Ab this is the picture. These four sentences are for this picture. In this picture, where is the book? The book is on the table. So we will use the preposition on. O-N, on the table. Is that clear? Then the sixth sentence, there is a pencil dash the book. Pencil kahan hai? Book ke bagal mein. So there is a pencil beside the book. Okay, B-E-S-I-D-E, beside the book. Now next sentence, there are flowers dash the vase. There are flowers in the vase. I-N, in. We will use I-N, in. Now the next sentence, the pencil is dash the book and the vase. अब pencil कहाँ है? Dash the book and the vase. इन दोनों के बीच में. So that is the word between. Preposition we will use is between. So the pencil is between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between the book and the vase. Is that clear, children? I hope all these two exercises are clear to you all, children. There is no confusion in these two exercises. They are very easy, and I also hope you all have understood the topic, what we have to do. Is that clear, children? Now, as you can see in your book, there is another fourth exercise given, but we are not going to do it in the book. Okay, so please cross out this exercise. Okay, we will only do 3 exercises in the book and 1 exercise in a notebook. Is that clear? So now I am going to give you some work for your notebook. So please again listen to this video carefully, as I am going to first of all I am going to explain you the introduction and definition part of this topic, and then we will do the exercise of this chapter, and this will how we will complete our chapter today. Okay, so you will get time for 3-4 days, which will be your winter break for 4 days, and in that winter break you can complete and you can also learn and revise your topics. Is that clear, children? So please listen to the video very carefully. So now, children, as you all know that when we are starting with a new chapter in our notebook, so what we will do, we will first of all write down today's date. Okay, we will take out a new page and we will write down today's date, that is 30/12/2020, and then in the first line we will give the heading lesson number 16, prepositions. Okay, so please don't forget to write the lesson number as well as the name of the lesson. Okay, now the first part which we are going to do in our notebook is of definition. We will write the definition and some important points of this topic. Okay, so the definition is words that tell us the place or position of person, place, animal or thing. जो words हमें बताते हैं किसी भी person, प्लेस, एनिमल या थिंग के बारे में, उसकी प्लेस या पोजीशन हमें जब बताते हैं तो वो वर्ड्स को हम prepositions बोलते हैं. लाइक द कैट इज सिटिंग अंडर द टेबल, तो कैट क्या है? एनिमल. ओके, और वो कहाँ पे बैठी है? टेबल के नीचे. सो दिस इज आवर preposition. Under is a preposition. Why? Because the word under is telling us that where is the cat sitting. Okay, it is telling us the place or the position of that animal. Is that clear? So words that tell us the place or position of person, place, animal or thing is known as prepositions. Now for example, a parrot is in the cage. Okay, parrot कहाँ पे है? Cage के अंदर, in the cage. Okay, so this word in is a preposition because it is telling us the place or the position of the parrot, which is a noun. Okay, which is an animal. Okay, so the parrot, where is the parrot? A parrot is in the cage. It is in the cage. So in is a preposition. Now the most important point here is words used as prepositions. Now what are the words which are used as prepositions? So the first thing is to show position. अगर हमें किसी भी noun की position पता करनी है, so we will use the preposition in, on, at, under, front, back, behind, into, near and between. Okay, these are the words which will be used as prepositions when we are telling about the position of the nouns. Okay, किसी भी noun, that is किसी भी person की, place की, animal या thing की position अगर हम बताएंगे तो ये वाले prepositions use करेंगे. Okay, and the second most important point is to show time. जब हमें किसी भी person, place, animal और thing का time पता करना है, time बताना है, तो हम उन words में, उन sentences में हम कौन से prepositions यूज करेंगे? On, at, in, from, to, by. Okay, so make sure children that you don't get confused in this part. You just have to learn that अगर हमें position किसी भी noun की show करनी है तो हमें in, on, at, under, front, back, behind, into, near, between वाले prepositions यूज करने हैं. और अगर हमें कहीं पे भी time वाली पोजीशन या preposition शो करना है तो हम कौन से preposition यूज करेंगे? On, at, in, from, to, by. Okay, so I hope this part is clear to you all children. Now I am going to give you one notebook exercise which you have to complete it. So by this you will complete the chapter number 16, that is prepositions. Is it okay? So children, coming to our second exercise, okay, B part. As we have completed our A part, that was of definition and some introduction points. Now we have started with a B part, which is having one exercise, and this is the last work for your notebook. Okay, so by this our chapter 16 prepositions will be completed. Okay children, so in this exercise what you have to do, please listen to it carefully. In this, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Now here you have to use the prepositions, appropriate prepositions after reading the sentences. Okay, so listen to this video carefully, children, this part carefully. First sentence, train arrived dash 3 p.m. dash the afternoon. Train कब arrive हुई? 3 p.m. at. Okay, when we are using time, when we are when we are having a sentence related to time, then we have to use the preposition at, in, on, by. Okay, so train arrived at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. कितनी बजे ट्रेन आई? 3 बजे. कब आई? In the afternoon. Is that clear? Now coming to the second sentence, India celebrates Independence Day dash 15th August. India Independence Day कब celebrate करता है? On 15th August. 15th August वाले दिन. Is that clear? Now coming to the third sentence, come fast, we are late dash 15 minutes. जल्दी आओ, हम already 15 मिनट late हैं. By, we are late by 15 minutes. Okay. You must reach the airport dash 2 o'clock. तुमको एयरपोर्ट 2 बजे तक पहुंच जाना चाहिए. At 2 o'clock. Okay. You must reach the airport at 2 o'clock. Now coming to the fifth sentence, we are going to Mumbai dash May. मुंबई हम कब जा रहे हैं? मई में. तो in May. We are going to Mumbai in May. Okay. Now coming to the last sixth sentence, we always have lunch dash 2 p.m. Okay, again I have given here the time, so we will write at in the afternoon. Okay, exact कितनी बजे हम lunch करते हैं? 2 बजे. कब करते हैं? In the afternoon. Is that clear, children? So I hope this exercise is clear to you all. Once again I am repeating. Listen to it carefully. Train arrived at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Second, India celebrates Independence Day on 15th August. Third is come fast, we are late by 15 minutes. Fourth, you must reach the airport at 2 o'clock. Fifth, we are going to Mumbai in May. Sixth, we always have lunch at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So children, that is all for today. I hope you all have understood this chapter, this topic of prepositions, and I hope you all have understood today's video. You all have understood what work you have to do in your notebooks and as well as in your textbook. 2 exercises I have given for you to do in your textbooks, and 2 exercises you will do in your notebooks. And make sure, children, this work should be completed during your holidays, during your winter break. And children, one important thing, that from tomorrow your winter break is starting. Okay, so next we will be meeting on 4th of January. Okay, from Monday. So for 3 days or 4 days you can enjoy, but make sure that with enjoyment you have to also complete your work, and you have to start learning also, because very soon we will be having our revisions and test, and then in the last we will be having our final exams. So please, children, be prepared for all this and complete all your work. Many of your work is pending, so please complete that work, pending work, between these holidays. Okay. And children, make sure that your holidays during your holidays you complete all your work and you start learning also all your work, so that it will be very easy for you all, okay, to give the exams. But children, I hope you will all enjoy your new year. Okay, so do parties, but at your home. No going outside, no playing outside, and enjoy your new year. Okay, a very happy new year to you all, and enjoy your winter break. Bye bye, children. Take care, stay at home and stay safe.